Lot number 148 is a 2002 Bluebird school bus. This is a junk vehicle. Out of the three we have here, this one appears to be the most complete. It was involved in an accident and put out of service, brought to storage, and it doesn't look like it's been picked at as much as the other ones. There's still parts missing. I see plugs down there. There's gonna be parts missing because they have been picked at, but this one has the most parts out of the three we have in this auction. It was involved in a wreck. It hit hard. I see the radiator went right into the fan. You see how it's bulging out there, and it probably made contact with the motor, so it took a hard hit. The body itself is straight. A lot of good parts here. Tires look good. Rims and tires. All the glass is good. This could be good for storage or recycling. Definitely a lot of parts. It's missing many parts inside as well. It's missing the whole instrument panel here. All the seats are in place. Most of them are probably in good shape. Can't get past that there, and it's up against the fence in the back. But it appears to be dry in here. This would make great storage. It's got a roof-mounted AC in the rear that I could see is open. And it's got one up here, which appears to have the cover cracked and hanging. Let's look at the other side. Here's the driver's side. Again, the body itself is straight. These buses are well built. See the rear door opens. Well, I can see the hinges here are loose, so maybe I'm gonna pass on trying to open this door. All right, there it is. It's a junk vehicle. It's being sold as is, and you must transfer the title, and you must get the right kind of tow truck to get in here and pick this bus up. We're not gonna let you pull it out with a pickup truck. You need to get the right tow truck in here and do it right. It's lot number 148. Good luck.